This is why vitamin D from the sun is so much better than any other form. Let's not deny the fact that supplemental forms of vitamin D, food forms of vitamin D, and sunlight forms of vitamin D all raise vitamin D levels. And supplemental forms of vitamin D can raise them pretty high, but that does not mean that it's the best way. So there's a study that was published in the journal Clinical Investigation that found that when we get vitamin D from the sun, 100% of the time, it binds to the D binding protein. The vitamin D binding protein is what takes the vitamin D to the liver to ultimately get converted into 25-hydroxy vitamin D. That's the circulating form. Now, when it was orally ingested, it was only 60%, but it doesn't stop there. The same study also found that vitamin D that was synthesized from the sun ended up lasting 2 to 3 times longer in the body. This is because the conversion process takes a while, but it's more like having a sustained drip of vitamin D for days, weeks, or even months versus one big bolus.